Alright, today I'm going to show you guys how to play In the Aeroplane Overseas by Neutral Milk Hotel. And I just wanted to make this one because it's a pretty easy song, good for beginners, and a lot of people like this song, but there's no good tab out there online, and there's not really a bass-only cover. And I mean, to us that actually know a bit, it's pretty obvious what we do, but for the new people, it's not so much. So I'm just going to show you guys. It's just 4 notes. It's really easy. So 1, G, E, C, D. Alright, you got that? So 3rd fret on the E string, open E string, 3rd string on the A string, 5th fret on the A string. Now, alternatively, if you want it to be an octave higher, 1, play guitar, not bass. But I'll be nice and I'll explain it. So, you're going to play an octave higher, open E string, 2nd fret on the D string, 3rd fret on the G string, and then, so, not 3rd fret on the E, 5th fret on the G string, and then 7th fret on the G string. So it's like, just play guitar, man, come on. But, so it's gonna sound like this. I'm just gonna do the standard way because, you know, I'm not doing that. I'm just gonna play it the normal way because, you know, I'm a bassist, not a guitarist. So, no, that's gonna get quite tiring. So what you can do is you can go, split them into half, just because if not, you're going to be falling asleep. Now, there's a second section during like the horn solo and after the first few verses where it's like this. It's E. And there's another section where it's double, so it's like, so it's a pretty easy song. I'm not gonna play this song because then I wouldn't have any chance of money. So just be like, keep on doing that until it gets to the part where it's like with like the horn and stuff. You know, you guys know what a horn sounds like, brass. You know what I'm saying? Then you go. Guys, it's a really easy song. So now I'm gonna play along to this song, and if you'll give me a second, I'll go set up the record player and I'll show it to you guys.